Since January 23, 2023, our system ranks NIO as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.743. In this period the stock has had a gain of 5.39%. This is an average return of 1.08% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for NIO, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for NIO stock price on Friday, moving between $11.98 and $13.22. The NIO stock price gained 4.44% on the last trading day, Friday, January 27, 2023, rising from $12.17 to $12.71. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 10.35% from a day low at $11.98 to a day high of $13.22. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 7.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 18 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 69 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $878.35 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $26.41, and the lowest price was $8.38. Right now the price is 51.87%, or $13.70, below 52-week high, and 81.03%, or $54.28, below all-time high January 11, 2021, where the price hit $66.99. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 8.18% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -15.53% and 19.01%. The 12-month trend indicates a -40.53% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -68.41% and -18.10%. This equals a price between $4.02 and $10.41 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, China Renaissance set price target to 10.4. On Tuesday, December 20, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 28. On Monday, November 28, 2022, Jefferies set price target to 11.26. On Monday, November 21, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 21. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Barclays set price target to 18. From analysts, NIO stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for NIO. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The NIO stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $11.73 and $11.36. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 3, 2023, and so far it has risen 31.98%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 100 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 90 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 84 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.68 and $11.44. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $11.68. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.44 and $10.98. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.24 between high and low, or 10.35%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 16.52%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for NIO. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. NIO currently has a price-earning ratio of -1.89. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 22, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.260. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NIO meets first resistance at $12.78. If you do not hold NIO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NIO finds first level of support at $11.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for NIO is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $12.25, minus 3.64%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 17 days ago. Is NIO stock a buy? NIO holds several positive signals and is within a weak rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 30th, we expect NIO to open down $0.0733 and start trading at $12.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to